In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create conditional dropdowns in Google Sheets without needing to write a single line of code. This simple yet effective method will help you streamline your data entry processes and make your spreadsheets much more dynamic. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open a new or existing Google Sheet where you'd like to create the dropdown. Having your data organized and ready to go will make this process much smoother. Now, you'll want to select a specific cell where the drop-down menu will be displayed. Simply click on the cell of your choice, and that's where your drop-down will appear. Next, you'll need to highlight the cells that will serve as your data source for these drop-downs. Make sure these cells contain the list of options you want in your drop-down menu. If these cells aren't already specified in your spreadsheet, be sure to set them up beforehand. Now, navigate to the top menu and click on Data. This is where you'll find many data tools that Google Sheets offers, including the one we need next. From the drop-down menu under Data, choose Data Validation. This opens a panel on the right side of the sheet, which is your gateway to creating drop-down lists. Once in the data validation settings, click on Add Rule. Here, you'll determine the criteria for your validation rule. In the criteria drop-down list, select Drop-down from a range. This choice will allow you to link your drop-down menu directly to the range of cells you highlighted earlier, thus creating a dynamic and conditional drop-down list. Click on Data to specify the range of your list. You'll want to make sure the range accurately includes all the items you wish to display in your drop-down. Double-check that you've selected the correct range, as this directly determines what will be available in your drop-down menu. After confirming your data selection, click OK to apply these settings. Then hit Done to finalize this setup. With these steps completed, you have successfully created a conditional dropdown in your Google Sheet. Switch your focus to the main or primary sheet and check your newly created dropdown list. Click on the cell where you applied the dropdown. You should see the list of items you specified earlier neatly displayed. For additional dropdowns in the same sheet, simply repeat this procedure. Select the target cell for each new dropdown, highlight the relevant data range, and apply the same data validation steps. And that's it. You've created a functional set of conditional dropdowns in Google Sheets, all without using any code. This handy feature can significantly improve the user experience of your spreadsheets, ensuring the data entered remains consistent and accurate. Thank you for following along, and happy spreadsheeting.